80s, early open source software pioneers challenged the prevailing belief that software would advance only if companies challenged the prevailing belief that software would advance only if companies kept control of it. This movement pushed for a transparent ecosystem where developers around the world could study, modify, and improve software. Software developed by the open source community not support and okay, as well as the US military, federal agency conducting scientific research, cybersecurity, and other critical missions. Open source did more than lower the cost of software. It created a shared foundation of knowledge. Okay, I fully agree with this. Amazingly said. The United States now faces a similar choice with artificial intelligence. Our AI leadership will be judged not by one frontier AI model, but by whether the United States build a strong open ecosystem that diffusing into every sector. That's true. This is essential for creating opportunities for innovation and prosperity across the country. It requires expanding access to AI, encouraging competition, robust application layers, and giving Americans greater control over the technologies they rely on. Open weight models, AI models that anyone can download, inspect, modify, and run on their own infrastructure are an important part of that foundation because they make advanced AI more accessible, adaptable, and widely available. Open weights expand access to the AI economy. Startups, established businesses, universities, and public institutions can build an advanced model without training one from scratch and paying frontier model prices for every task. Open weights led several organizations match the right model to the right job at the right cost, reserving frontier scale capability for genuine frontier problems and running efficient specialized models everywhere else. That discipline is what will make AI economically sustainable as its use scales into billions of everyday tasks. So this is important, you see, if you offload all your tasks to a model that you don't fully understand and see, this is not good, okay? America wins the AI era by diffusing into the workflows of factories, hospitals, farms, classrooms, and Main Street business. Open weights also strengthen competition, and competition involves keeps the gains of AI broadly shared rather than concentrated influence. By allowing media organizations to build, adapt, and deploy advanced models, open weights create rivalry not only among model developers but across cloud ships, applications. So how many? Application and services that competition spurs innovation, drives down costs, and distributes the benefit of AI broadly across our economy. Open weights also give customers greater control. As organizations invest in AI, they want to know that they will not become locked into a single provider, exactly, or lose the knowledge and capabilities they build over time. Open weight models help provide that assurance by allowing organizations to control their own data, evaluate and adapt the model to their own needs, and deploy them wherever their business requirements demand. Exactly. And as organizations create value with AI, open weights allow them to own that value through self-improving models, specialized capabilities, and accumulated knowledge that drive American sovereignty and profitability. To be sure, open weights carry real and distinct risks. Only the ways are beyond the original developer's control, and modified versions are difficult to trace or reverse. But the right response to this risk is not to prohibit open weights. Exactly. So this is a good sentence. In a world where cybersecurity attackers use advanced AI, defenders need access to models with comparable capabilities, exactly, so they can detect, stimulate, and respond to emerging threats. Open weights broaden defensive capability, increase transparency, and allow vulnerabilities to be discovered and remediated across many teams. Exactly. In fact, openness may be one of the most important paths to AI security. Relying solely on closed model is not inherently safe. It can be breached, misused, and fail in ways that outsiders cannot detect. And concentrating advanced AI capabilities behind a small number of closed models compounds that risk. It results in a small number of single point of failure, weakens competition, and leaves critical technology. Exactly. Open weight models, on the other hand, allow a broad community of researcher developers to examine their behavior, identify vulnerabilities, develop safeguards, and improve them over time, just as open source software demonstrated that transparency can be more secure than obscurity. AI safety may depend on giving more people the ability to test and threaten their models on which society relies. It allows for rigorous benchmarking and evaluation, red teaming and protections tied to real and demonstrating harms rather than assuming that closed systems are safer by default. Exactly. A strong AI ecosystem is not a foregone conclusion. Policymakers have an important opportunity to act. This includes expanding access to compute for startups and researchers, investing in shared training assets, and keep it a frontier plural by avoiding premature restriction on open models that stifle competition and drive innovation overseas. The measures must look at how strong application. So I'm going to talk about this. How strong application layers can expand sovereign use of AI across the economy. In shaping this ecosystem, policymakers should be careful not to conflate legitimate model development techniques with misappropriation. Distillation, or the practice of using one model output to train or improve another, is a widely used technique for model improvement, evaluation, and validation. It reflects a long tradition of learning from building upon and improvising existing technologies, a tradition that has helped drive innovation since the rise of open source software movement. By contrast, unlawful efforts to extract value from closed model raise legitimate concern. Those concerns should be addressed through targeted legal and commercial framework rather than supreme restriction on techniques that play an important role in AI innovation. The age of AI can be one of prosperity. With the right sources, open weight AI can expand opportunities, strengthen competition, extend American technological leadership, mitigate risk, and ensure that the benefits of this extraordinary technology are shared broadly across our economy. Yes, so I think this is true. So CrowdStrike, Meta, Linux, Dell, Microsoft, Nvidia, Mistral. Yes, I think YC, Arena, Box, Perplexity, Reflection, Replit. Yes, IBM. Mariana Minerals. I'm going to check that. And I don't know the other one. Mozilla, of course. ServiceNow. Telmix, I don't know. But yes, it's mainly true. I agree with that. Amazing post. Fully agree. It is also good for the global economy. Okay. It's good for Americans, obviously, but also for the global economy. Okay. So here we go. Basically, if you see, there's a logic to this. If things are good for the American economy, then it's good for the world, since Americans are the richest consumer on the planet. You see, and basically, if something works best with American consumers and American companies, then it works best for the world. Okay, so here we go. So first post, masterclass from Jensen. That's nice. So I'm going to do a small pause and going to so what is he saying on distillation? On his new interview with Axios, he was asked this question: should open source model companies be allowed to distill closed models? Distillation, learning from AI and learning from other people and learning from other sources of knowledge. So I'm going to comment this, and then I'm going to do the pause. Okay. So distillation, learning from AI, learning from other people, and learning from other sources of knowledge is fundamental to intelligence. Yes, we are constantly learning from other people. I am learning from you through the questions you are asking, and you are learning from me all day long. We are learning from one another. AI also has to learn from something. The original AI models, whether they were open or closed, were trained on previously created knowledge from the internet. Now, AI is generating more content than humans. In a few more years, the internet could be 99% AI generating content, and that content will have been created by some form of AI. As a result, AI system will constantly be distilling knowledge and intelligence from other AI systems. Yes, I think that's true. So I like this, but so there's one thing from that. Transparency. You should say where you're training from. Exactly. Okay, for me, transparency and contribution needs to be figured out. Okay? And so that's my project. Okay? Okay? So I like this, but transparency and contributions need to be figured out. Okay? So I'm going to clip that.